Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired June 8th, 2026. The topic of that episode was Call No Person Father. Swami, your insights.
To challenge your concept of father isn't being unfaithful. It's no longer settling for the mere belief in truth, but insisting on proof with demonstration.
Looking to outgrow the personal and realize the truth? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnasya